Hello students. So we were discussing type 2 questions of surface area and volume where one particular solid is melted and converted into another particular solid, right? So let's take an example over here to understand how questions are asked in this particular section, and I have specifically taken a previous year question which was asked in board exams, so which will also give you an idea how questions are asked in board exams. So let's see the example. A girl empties a cylindrical bucket full of sand of base radius 18 cm and height 32 cm on the floor to form a conical heap of sand. If the height of the conical heap is 24 cm, find the slant height of the conical heap. See, first you try to understand what exactly is happening in this question. So there is a girl. Now the girl has a cylindrical bucket, okay. In that bucket, she has filled the entire bucket with sand, okay. Again, the entire bucket, not half of the bucket or 1/4 of the bucket. Once she has the bucket full of sand, what she does, she tosses it down to the floor. So on doing so, a conical heap is formed, okay. It's nothing, it's just a sand castle which looks like cone shaped structure, okay. So over here, the very first thing which you need to understand is that volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. So over here, one thing you need to know is that the cylinder volume will be equal to the volume of cone. Why? Because see, the cylindrical bucket will have some amount of sand, and now she is tossing the entire sand on the ground, which means the bucket is empty, which means how much sand was available in the bucket, the entire sand is used to form the conical structure, okay. So from here, what do we come to know? We come to know that volume of a cylinder, what is volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h, right? Now this is equal to volume of cone. What is volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. So as you can see over here, this pi and this pi will get cancelled off, okay. And now let's try to plug in the formulas. So over here, first we'll see the cylinder part. In the cylinder part, the base radius is 18, which means over here, in place of 18, in place of radius, I will write 18. And the height is what? The height is 32. This is equal to 1/3 into. So over here, if the height of the conical heap is 24, which means what? Is the radius given to us of the conical heap? No. Which means we need to find the radius from here. Whereas the height is given, the height is 24. So as you can see over here, we'll continue with our calculations. So over here, we'll get something like r square is equal to 18 square into 32 into 3 divided by 24, okay. Yeah, I know it's a big calculation. So once you do this, you will get around 1296. So over here, this is r square, okay. R square is 1296, which means r will be nothing but under root of 1296, which is nothing but what? 36 centimeters, okay. So as you can see, first we have calculated the radius of the given conical heap. But is that the question? No. Over here, the slant height is asked. Now what is the slant height? Slant height is known as L. So as you can see over here, we have to apply another formula. That will be what? L square is equal to h square plus r square. So over here, you know the h, you know the r. What you need to do? You need to plug in the formula over here. So again, the height of the cone is how much? The height of the cone is 24, the whole square, plus the radius which we found out was 36. So L will be what? L will be under root of this. So as you can see over here, there's a big calculation. This comes out to be under root of 1872 which you further calculate, you will get this as approximately 43.3 centimeters. Okay, so this is the actual answer to the question, that is the slant height of the conical heap is nothing but 43.3 centimeters. So again over here the volume remains fixed. I hope you understood this example and stay tuned for more videos.